Hi everyone, today is my birthday and today we're gonna do a birthday look. A very simple and very elegant, a very pretty birthday look. Let's just get started. Before doing makeup, always remember to clean the base. It just gives you a very smooth and flawless look. So always cleanse and do your skincare before putting makeup on. I just went and washed my face, cleansed my face, and then I put a very simple skincare, and then now we're gonna start the makeup. Today we're gonna use almost everything Huda Beauty products because Huda Beauty sent me a cake and I'm going to show you guys in the end of this video. So I just wanted to celebrate my birthday with Huda Beauty and the cake that she sent me. I really love this Easy Blur primer. It just sticks everything and blurs the skin so well. Like you can't see your textures anymore. As you guys can see how blur my skin looks now. This is a Easy Blur foundation from Huda Beauty. It's one of my favorite foundation of 2024. It gives you such a light and full coverage and very blurred and smooth type of skin. After starting the video and then I realized that I don't have as much as Huda Beauty products that I thought I have. So we're gonna use all kind of brands that I have available in my makeup room and complete this makeup look. I got inspired by a Korean and Asian makeup look. I think that's what I want to do for my photo shoot. I use these two concealers because I don't have Huda Beauty concealer. This is the L'Oreal and this is it's called the Judy Doll. It's like a Korean brand. I really like the texture. Just trust the process. I just wanted to do a very light concealer under my eyes because I have like a little mini photo shoot. I want my makeup to stand out, so I want to do something super light under my eyes. This concealer might look a lot, but it's not. I usually combine this Korean concealer with L'Oreal Paris. It looks so rich and soft, smooth. I love this artistic palette from Makeup Forever. It has blushes and contour and bronzer. I just like to keep my contour line really high because it just gives me a high lift. So that's why I'm putting it right here, because when you blend, this kind of comes down a little bit. Sometimes I just love liquid products because it just melts on my skin. It makes it look super nice, dewy, and hydrated. Do you see how smooth and blended this side looks? Even though we use such a light colors. I'm going to use some of this Huda Beauty liquid blush and I'm going to use a brush to apply this very lightly. I usually like to warm this on the back of my hand and then directly apply it on my cheek. And I slowly take this up and I also apply a little bit under my eyes. It just pops the eyes more. I'm going to add some bronzer from L'Oreal Paris. I love this bronzer, so I'm just going to bronze myself. I love bronzing. Makes my skin look super warm and like sunset looking. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Cherry Blossom. I love this one after the purple powder. This one is so beautiful. It just beautifully brightens under the eyes. So nice. I usually don't bake under my eyes. After applying that, I right away go with a big brush and remove anything just setting extra that makes the skin look more powdery. To set the cream blush, now I'm applying some powder blush so it can look more vibrant. Okay, let's move to the eyebrows and then the eyes. I like to use the L'Oreal Paris brow lamination. This actually literally glues my brow. I usually put a lot of products and then I just brush it up and then just curve it out and then makes it look super nice. Now I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics pencil. This one has like a 3-stroke type of a brushes and it just makes that brow to look more fuller and I apply as much as it's needed. If you made any mistakes on your brows, this is the perfect time to use a concealer and carve your brows out, and any mistakes there is just going to make your brows look super sharp, beautiful, smooth. And then I just take the rest of the concealer on the eyelid just to make the eyelid look more smoother, and then with the powder I set the eyelid so we don't have any creases. For this look, I'm literally going with one shade of eyeshadow and applying this all over my eyelid and going with another super light, like almost my skin color shade. I'm gonna just like buff this out and make it just one shade, like literally it's gonna look super nice. In the bottom of my eyes, I'm just gonna go with a super thin black line very close to my lash and going with another super light nude type of color. Just buff that out so it can look more smoother. Unlike a lot of Korean makeup looks, Asian makeup looks, I have seen this line that goes under the lashes and it just goes out, makes the eyes I guess look bigger, and it's not working for my face for some reason, but I'm gonna try it anyways. And then I'm gonna go with a lighter shade of like color in between so it can like pop the eyes more. Adding shimmer like all over my eyes and like a really pop of shimmer in the inner corners only, and dragging it out a little bit inward and outward. On these photos that I see, I think eyelashes is very important. The way they do their eyelashes, it makes the eyes pop more, makes the eyes look really different, like a doll eyes. So I'm gonna apply some mascara and then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply individual lashes. And then the bottom lashes, I think it's such a big deal over there. You apply like a bunch of I don't know, mascara, and then you just separate them like the way I'm doing with a tweezer. Like, I guess you group them in one by one. Honestly, this part of mascara I really like. It makes my eyes look super nice every time I do this. I'm gonna apply individual lashes, which goes underneath my lashes, and I'm gonna keep like skip a little space in between so it can look like the doll type of a look. So I'm gonna just go do that across my lashes as much as I can, and just to make it look more pop out more. I feel like lips are such a big deal in like Asian makeup. Look at these plumpy type of lips, like so juicy, so pretty. And I learned this how to apply so my lip can look the same way. They like that pounchy, plumpy type of lips, so I tried my best to create that. Asian makeup looks look very hydrated and dewy, glowy. One technique I have for you guys: apply a setting spray. This setting spray seems like it's been the best for me, and then dry it with a blow dryer, and then just wait a few minutes. Everything is going to melt onto your skin, and it's gonna make your skin look so dewy, so glowy, and so hydrated. This look came out so nice. I'm ready for the photo shoot. I will keep you guys posted on my IG story or my Instagram page. Make sure to check out the photos. I'm doing something really cool in my garage, so I'm so excited, and the makeup looks so good. Now we're officially ready to download Red Note. We can pass. Yeah, we can pass for the makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I post every Saturdays and Sundays. And click the bell icon so we can stay in touch. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about the Red Note.